Okay, so students, now the last manual, that is the coughing huffing technique. This has to be educated to a patient after a postural drainage position. For the coughing and huffing technique, it has to be done prior to the postural drainage treatment or the session, so that patient will know how to cough or huff. For the coughing, ask a patient to take a deep breath, hold it for a couple of seconds, and then exhale it forcefully as if you are trying to remove the secretions. You should observe the cough strength, that is, a cough is a sharp, loud, and having a double cough. Okay, so at least 2 times cough with a single inspiration has to be done by the patient. For this, for the coughing techniques, it is always recommended that patient will gain a upright position. Okay, patient should not perform the same coughing maneuvers while just sleeping, lying down. If possible, always while coughing have a flexion posture, or at least have a upright position. Okay, upright sitting, upright standing is recommended. Now, during the postural position, it may so happen that during every position patient will not be able to get up from the bed every time. So in that case, patient can cough in a modified position, that is, sir, please lie down. That is just having an upper thorax upright with the help of the elbows, and ask a patient to cough in this position. So suppose patient is having a postural drainage for the lower lobes. So for the lower lobes, if the patient is in supine or a prone or a side lying, then in that case we can just assume a position of such like this and ask a patient to cough immediately, and then they can resume the position, or we can proceed to the next position if it is comfortable or tolerable. Okay, so this is what is the coughing technique. Next is the huffing technique. For the huffing technique, huff is less intensive than the cough. Generally, those patients who are not able to have a proper cough, first to be taught with huff and then to be taught with cough. What is huff? Huff is a forceful expiration with an open glottis. This cough is with the closed glottis, forceful exhalation. Okay. So for the huff, we simply explain to the patient that after a deep inspiration and a hold for 1 or 2 seconds, huff like you are actually fogging the glasses. Okay. So we are supposed to demonstrate to the patient if the patient doesn't understand. So take a deep inhalation, hold it for a 1 or 2 seconds, and then huff as if you are fogging a glass. Okay? So this is what is the huff. With the huff, it will also take the secretions to more up. Okay? It will direct the secretions more towards the up, and then by coughing effectively, patient can remove those secretions. So this is what the huff will be doing in this way. Okay? Now, for the postural drainage, lastly, I want to conclude that for any postural drainage sessions, the timing is 30 to more than, at least less than 60 minutes. So one session of the postural drainage should not exceed 60 minutes, and in that also it is not mandatory that at least 60 minutes has to be done or at least 30 minutes has to be done. It will be dependent on the amount of secretions and the number of segments involved and necessary to drain for the postural drainage. So if a patient is tolerating that position should be maintained, but do not exceed one position for more than 10 minutes. That is what. Okay, so you should change the preference according to the condition.